fly at 71. And as he climbs above us, on the ground, say hello to the T-33 Mako Shark. We'd also like to thank the Mako Shark sponsors, Flightline Services and Hammond Aviation, for their continued support of our demonstration. The T-33 Listen to that beautiful low rumble. That sound is produced by the Neen 10 jet engine built by Rolls-Royce. It was restored and painted to these colors in 2011 to bring back to life what is undoubtedly one of the prettiest paint jobs to grace our Canadian T-birds. Watch now as they come from the left for the show center pitch out. .250 knots, 3G turn, and they are now positioning for their low and slow dirty. Flying the T-30
Just a moment,
today.
He's going to take off. We're going to set it to music too when he's ready to go, Howard. And let's wait for him to get the go in the airplane. 50%. The vet getting out of the way now. Breakpoint is set. He knows where and when to pull that chute. Behind this thing. All right. Take off. Just giving him a bit of a tease here, just a tease. Boom. So for our spectators, but here comes the race, Howard. Oh, I see. That was just to throw Rick off, I think. Here they go, folks! Boom. Guess what's coming, Howard? Something that makes a lot of noise. Oh yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, stand by for the CF-18. This year, representing the common thread that binds us all. Watch for the icons on the spine of the airplane, along with our provincial flag and great national flag, and iconic symbols of all things that make us Canadian and bind us together, celebrating our diversity and our nation. The CF-18 2013 demo. Patrick Poland is at the controls. Give him a huge wave as he is about to demonstrate the Hornet's capabilities in this 30th year of air demonstrations for the CF-18.
Now let's go live to the cockpit. Hornet 1, Hornet 2, we're at Waterloo, how do you read?
I have you 5x5. Waterloo, good afternoon, live from the cockpit. This is Captain Patrick, hello show, pull in. On behalf of all 2013 demonstration team, staff, it's a pleasure to be here. Sit back, relax, let's enjoy the no show. Hornet 2, let's take the tires and light the fires, back to you.
Hornet 1, roger, advise 20. As Patrick lights up the afterburner on the two F404 engines, the aircraft will be producing 32,000 pounds of thrust. This is more thrust than all 11 Snowbirds aircraft combined. To demonstrate this awesome power, and the capability of the Hornet, watch as Captain Poland perform his first maneuver, the takeoff dirty roll. I can give you more. Painting the tail art of the demo Hornet each year takes a talented team of specialists led by design director James Billivo of 410 Squadron at 4-Wing Cold Lake, Alberta. The next maneuver. The next maneuver will show the incredible roll rate of the CF-18. Watch as Flow-Through performs a double 540 roll. Look for the change in direction halfway through this next maneuver.
But the four better way to get up out of bed instead of getting on the internet and checking the news.
That better?
Stop it, stop, walk up, a little bit of humble, a little bit of practice. Somewhere between like boxing, but again, moonwalk is a part of but on Broadway, and we did it always. Grown music, I shed my skin and put my bones and
CF-18 from Throwing and Baggageville, Quebec, and 4-Wing in Cold Lake, Alberta, are manned and continuously on alert to protect Canada and the United States through NORAD. CF-18 Squadron can also deploy to protect Canadian and Allied interests abroad. The next maneuver from the right will be the inverted pass.
chasing dreams since I was 14 with the 4-track bustin'. Halfway across that city with the back crush it. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give that to the people, spread it across the country. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give it to the people, spread it across the country.
The next pass is dedicated to all veterans attending the show today. It is because of you that we enjoy the freedoms we sometimes take for granted. We salute you. From the left, Captain Poland and a veteran salute, topside pass. This next maneuver will demonstrate the agility of the Hornet in changing directions quickly, making it a hard target for adversaries. Patrick will fly the aircraft in a minimum radius, 360-degree turn. During the 360-degree turn, Patrick will experience over 6 times the force of gravity around his feet and see the F-18 in the 360-degree turn.
$20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a color.
I'll pump the boxes from the crib shop. I see the friends is so damn fine. Over there, I look at just an all pants and my daughter shoes, those are plain drinks and a lumber mink. Girl sitting next to me, probably should have watched this. Mother on Kelly sheets. Someone else is there walking on some of your working and
the left.
Somebody wins, somebody
The
wins.
CF-18 high-speed pass.
Max Bird.
Prepare your camera as the aircraft will be coming from right to left. Captain Poland from the right, the Royal Carrier Force CF-18 Hornet.
Show, we're not done yet, are we?
Does that help in organizing the Waterloo Air Show? Through adversity and with adversity. Flocho and the CF-18 Hornet.
All going on.
Now it turns to acquire the target.
Hornet 1, trigger down.
Now he's going to reset up to a high-speed pass from left to right, and then we'll have...
We'll be performing for the kids this afternoon. Dusty is here from the Disney movie Plans coming out in August. And the voice of Dusty, interestingly enough, is comedian Jane Cook. Maybe not that interesting. Are we supposed to give those gifts away? I don't know. It's for the grown-ups. So you're asking me? You thought this was Windsor. Get your pictures, give them away. If you didn't get a chance to see all of the icons on the airplane, there are many small Canadian icons all over the spine and tail of the airplane. I had a chance to go behind the scenes